What?
You gotta take the blanket off. You hear me? You gotta take the blanket off and ride him. You gotta take the blanket off and ride him.
Your mama's out here.
Chill out, Mike.
Your mama's out here. She's out here, silly. That's your daddy, or your adoptive daddy. Your mom's out here, silly. Val, no. Your mama is out here. Oh, you're a kicking buck. Go out. Hey, don't stop me. Go. Go outside. Come in here so she'll stop freaking out. Thank you. Oh my God. Why you make a baby panic? Why you ignore your baby? Bye. Little baby. Easy. You're alright.